All right, guys, so your move of the week this week is a split stance band Pallof press. So not the sexiest exercise in the world, but when it comes to integrating anti-rotational core exercises into clients' routine, this is a really good one. You know, of course, we want to start with a even bilateral stance first, but the thing that I like about this split stance is that for a lot of us, many of us lack a ton of great stability in the ankles and the knees and the hips. So this forces us to work on that, and we're limited by that, and we're limited by the position, so we can't go super heavy here until we really get that down. So all we have to do, and I'm gonna start first with my inside leg forward, because I think that's actually a little bit easier, and then you can move to the outside leg. But inside leg forward, getting down into a nice lunge position, you know, in a perfect world, having that band or cable, if you had to use a cable, coming from right across my shoulder on the wall. I'm gonna drop down, and all we're gonna do here to start out is just press that band out. Nice and easy, right back to the chest. Imagine there's like an imaginary line right in the middle of the chest, and you're trying not to let that band pull off to the side. So of course, once you master that, you can go heavier. You could also switch sides, and you feel it kind of fires up those hips a little bit different, but just a nice way to vary up some of your core training and throw some things in that are gonna be good for your back and help you perform better down the road.